me dofo pa me ma kwaba edeba Adom TV dwumedi ato ne din Nkuranhyensem emreso me a me dwumedi ho chia me a meto a me ye osomfo enedai me din am yeso Apostle Dr. Nita Kutego ogiri sa ho ye ma me mfa na asesoro nkomma se wanya mre na one me betra ase eto na montuo we mini kan enka asem bi wo potokasa mu nkyerɛ wo. Whether you planned your life perfectly or not, no matter how you see life, your health and relationships, one thing is for sure. Difficult moments or problems and challenges will happen to you from time to time. And found shisha wa shisha mo abrabo usika sem apomodne sebe wa wade ne wadwuma mumpo. Kwan bi aso no nia ensem fata or how amane any impose unsabesi from ebeta esiwa kwanso. They may throw you off balance to make you feel like you have failed or you are pulled by the storm. So no way to see wa brabo mu a ebe ase eto etwe wonase abo emwa theater aya ne se udi nkuguo sabe se wa brabo obo no se wojemu. Everyone living will go through the University of Adversity. See, every living being, wherever you are, will definitely go through the University of Adversity. You will school pombo wiase, so ya kwada, abranti ababa wa penimu ana sabe, umpempenso wa drobiano. Sa school no be could be a friend the University of Adversity. Emra enyoma enkoyi when things don't look good. That's the University of Adversity. We all will get there. Se me ka kire wo se baba wo bui se de etie bia no ye hyehyɛ ema da hiada ye hyehyɛ ema sintomre ye hyehyɛ ema emra ohaw ewo mu a wan hwe beka se bia me odifo a me nka nsempa nanso ne kura wo mu ne se wo po wo mpo. Life comes with changes. Life presents challenges. Life places demands on all of us. Life comes with threats. Adichi bia upo nsakra mu beba abrabom ohaw ene empo akwanside bi beba abrabom empo ne beba ontrene na adeso besoa ni nyina gina se ububura ni a won fa sa ne ma wo mu ni asabe wawuo empo yare kra no eyohaw woda fia so eyohaw okwa wade mu eyohaw adwuma wokomu eyohaw na akoso ano dia wo ye bia no eyohaw edwena wo di mpo no efa ohaw mu asa ayam awie on se wo mene fufu ana banche na abrokro na banku na wo de se wayi wani afiri obekọ yemu a edandan eyohaw na wo de ma oyefunu na edandan no akosi mra be yam na awie na empo wanya bi aye pe ahodne ame no ka asem fansa ukura ebrobe enan eburani enan na de mienu atotoamu ese wo profefefe bi so na de mienu so akoshefo. You see, you can imagine that you have 4 eyes of corn. One you place in a very beautiful jar on your beautiful table, and one you placed in the soil, the depth of the soil. Ebro mienu de o de share kama and I see table so kama and mienu de otutu from the share dotie mu e me efika wom sa ebro mienu we de o na be fifire so unu another that the other share dotie mu kama no e na be fifire nya the other share glass na enti abrabo be fifire a ya na ebi kan wo share dotie mu ya na ebi kan wo share fom na mom utimi fifi wi a be so aba abrabo enye se enigye emre biara a wo share glass mu ni ye bon ho by debi. So in life of the two brona mekaya no they share glass mu no emfifi edamu afebo they share form no na be fifi aso aba nya bi ate awe ama anya biom. You see, the biggest lessons in life are always learned when we have problems and deal with challenges or we deal with changes and setbacks. Abraba ye bueno the woman say ya brabo nko so nyina so ɛwɔ nsɛm a yɛtaa gyina no ɛyi firi hɔ ma menka biom the biggest lessons in life will be learned as you deal with issues, problems, changes, and setbacks. That's where you learn the lessons of life. You don't learn the lessons of life in your bedroom. You don't learn the lessons of life in your sofa. You learn the lessons in life as you engage life and you face setbacks, challenges, and changes. When you learn from your failures and mistakes or challenges, you are creating a phase of your life to develop and become better. So we share the free with symptom, we mre yomu, emu oha mu a, wo hwehwe se obenyini na waye wo mama. Oha wa to a empaba. So wo gina bia bi asebe ase wonsa ya agene a empaba. Nyahunu se samre mu ene emra abrabo epega akwa nimu. Aha na meja wo. Idiam Yesu no nita ekotego. Na mama me na Adom TV adwumakofo nyina ase Weba ena Thomas ena Priscilla Webeka Pedu ena me cameraman Prince Sound Osmosis ene na apamfo mo amwo Adom TV nyina me dam ase kura no wo a wonya amrehwe ame no woni onyame entina